Explain AMC10A question 23 year 2011. 7 students come for 1 to 1000 as follows. Alice lists all the numbers except she skips the middle number in each consecutive group of 3 numbers. That is, Alice says 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 997, 999, 1000. Barbara says all of the numbers that Alice doesn't say, except she also skips the middle number in each consecutive group of 3 numbers. Candace says all of the numbers that neither Alice nor Barbara says, except she also skips the middle number in each consecutive group of 3 numbers. Debbie, Eliza, and Fatima also say all of the numbers that none of the students with the first names beginning before theirs in the alphabet say, except each also skips the middle number in each of her consecutive groups of 3 numbers. Finally, George says the only number that no one else says. So Alice says these numbers, and Bertha has to say all of the numbers that Alice doesn't. So 2, 5, and 8, all the way to 998. And we can see that she skips by 3. So each term is 3 more than the last. And however, she also has to take away the middle term for every sequence of 3 numbers. And this way we get, Candace says that all of the numbers that Bertha nor Alice says, which is 5, 14, and so on, which for here the common difference is 3, and for here the common difference is 9. And if we go into Debbie, then we discover that she starts at 14 and keeps going 27 terms each time. So the next term would be 41. And if we go on, then Eliza's first term is 41. And clearly we can now see a pattern here. So this is a 5. 5 is equal to 2 times 3 minus 1. 14 is equal to 2 times 5. Wait, no, 3 times 5 minus 1. 41 is equal to 3 times 14 minus 1. So that means the first term that Fatima says is equal to 140, 122. And she skips by 243. And this means that George says the number that nobody else says, which is, if we continue on this pattern and stop until we can't go any farther, we get 122, 365, and 708. And so this is, if we keep going further, but we still know that this is the middle term for the first 3. And so George has to say 365. So the answer is C.